$500 to $100,000 trading challenge. Are you in, guys? Hi, guys. What's up? It's been a while, and I'm happy to see you here again on this channel. We've been going quite well on this YouTube channel, and I just want to say thank you once again for hitting the subscribe button, liking our videos, and sharing our content right here. And I implore you to continue to do that. If you are just stumbling on our video for the first time, this is your first video, hit the subscribe button right now. Hit a like on this video so YouTube can share this content across to help spread it. And turn on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post any valuable content like this. All right. And by the way, I'm going to tell you first. All right. The content you're going to watch right here is in no way a financial advice. I am not your mom. All right. I'm just trying to let you know what we are doing together as a private community at Bitville. And I'm showing you exactly the template I'm following to make this a successful challenge. We actually started a $500 to $100,000 challenge recently, back in the month of August, late August to be precise. So I'm going to show you the template that I think is fitting, quite fitting, for you to play this challenge and win it quite well, to ace it actually. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what we've been doing so far. So if you feel like you want to replicate this, you have to make sure you are a professional trader. You have to make sure you are an experienced trader. Only experienced traders are permitted to trade crypto futures. Only experienced traders are permitted to use leverage. All right, it can be a double-edged sword if you don't know what you're doing. So you have to learn. Feel free to learn as well. You're always welcome to learn how to trade and leverage. So straight to what I'm going to try to show you right here. So I have a calculator right here to show you exactly what's possible with a challenge like this. I'm going to leave the link to this calculator in the description of this video as well. So let's say our principal amount right here is $500. Now, some of us started this challenge with as low as $100. Some started with 500, some with 200, some with $1,000, some with $5,000. It's all depending on your portfolio size and your risk level, what you think is fitting for you. Now, you can actually play this on the spot market as well. It's not just a futures market, all right? But just the futures market makes it a little bit faster if you know what you're doing. That's only when you're permitted to trade with leverage. By the way, I'm going to say that again. So, right here, let's say that we have a principal amount of $500 with an interest rate of 20% monthly. And guys, I'm going to tell you that 20% monthly in crypto is just like, I mean, come on, that's very, very possible. I mean, you do 20% in just a single trade. You do it in just a single trade. So I'm trying to be as conservative as possible on this update right here to show you what is feasible, right? And then we have a 3-year lifespan right here, which includes weekend as well, with a daily reinvest rate of 100%. Now I push this date right back to 1st of September just to show you what is possible when you hit the calculate button, and I've already done that to show you exactly what our outcome is going to look like. Now, if we say for the month of September we started with $500, we're going to be earning $104 at the end of the month as interest, and our balance will be $604, which means we're going to have to compound this for the next month. Now, guys, the general idea behind this challenge, $500 to $100,000, the only way you can do this is to compound your interest. Ever heard of compounding interest? They say it's the eighth wonder of the world, and it's a very powerful tool if you know how to use it quite well in anything you're doing, but learning, finance, investing, or whatever, trading. If you learn to compound your interest, you're going to make a lot of progress over time. So that's basically what we're doing. That's the general idea. It's not about the speed. It's about the process. It's about the patience you're going to put in when you are participating in a challenge like this. So we say that the first month of September, we have a $604 balance right here. We add that $104 to our $500, making it $604. And we start that with that balance on the next month of October. We're going to earn a total of $240 in profit if we go by the same 20% every single month. Now we have a total portfolio of $740. The next month we're going to make $401 in profit, and we're going to end with $901 total portfolio. December, $605 in profit, and a total portfolio of $1,105. Now all the way to September next year. In one complete year, we're going to have a total portfolio of $6,613 Does that look like progress? Quite well, that's enough progress. Now, let me show you the beauty of compounding interest right here. In just 2 years, this is September 2022, and now let's go down to September 2023. We're going to have about $72,327 doing just the same thing and compounding our interest and our capital every single month without missing anything. All right. Now, so it's going to take us just about 2 years and basically 2 months on top of it, which is October and November 2023, to hit $107,876.23. Right there, that's our goal in basically 2 years, right? In basically 2 years. Now, at the end of 3 years that we've run this calculation for, September 2024, that's just 3 years, guys. If you do this quite well, we're gonna have about $658,480. Now, this does not sound as it doesn't look as simple as it sounds. Of course, trading is not simple. There's nothing, absolutely nothing simple about trading, right? Of course, but if you know what you're doing and you're following a good mentor, you're gonna make a lot of right decisions right here. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. Like I said, these are very conservative figures, and you can do more than 20% in crypto. You can do way more than 20% in a month. And if you have a very big portfolio size, of course, and do a lot more than that. Now, this is a shit of what we've been using. I'm going to show you exactly what I've been personally doing. Now, here's the thing: you don't have to go in with the entire $500 on one trade, right? This is exactly. I'm just showing you exactly what I've been doing basically. Now, you can split your $500 into different sizes. So you are able to average in at lower areas of values, lower support or resistance levels depending on the direction you're trading. Of course, if it's an uptrend, you have to try to pick long trades, and if it's a downtrend, you're going to try to pick short trades. So that's basically what it's about. But I'm not here to talk about trading in depth. All right. But here, so let's say on this first trade, I used $150 initial margin and made a profit of 15%, which is about $22 on this trade. You see that I journal every single trade that I take. We started this challenge on August 18, 2021. So just a couple of days ago, all right? So it's not even up to a month right here. We started this challenge. So I've personally taken about 7 trades right here. I'm a very patient trader. Of everybody who knows the way I take trades know that this is why I actually have a lot of good trades while trading with leverage. It's very important that you learn patience and discipline if you want to be a profitable trader when you're using leverage. So that's basically about 7 trades that I've taken from 18th of August to 31st of August right here, outlining my percentage profit, the amount I'm using to enter each trade, the actual profit I've made, and the trade that I took. So this is the way I personally constructed this journal right here, this sheet right here. And then at the end of the month right here, I outline my capital plus the profit that I've made, and then I compounded. So I made it about $174 in just a couple of If I single this out in days, this is just going to be about 7 days. All right, 7 days take just about a week here to have $174, and then with just a $500 capital, by the way, of course, with all the risk management practices and splitting of capital into several trades that I'm showing you right here. And then again, now you have to compound your capital plus your interest and roll it over to the next one. Now for the next month, which is September, that we're currently in, now I have $674 to trade with. Now, personally, I told myself that I'm going to be adding at least $100 to my capital, my trading margin, my capital. That's my entire portfolio every single month, right? That's to speeding up, to fasting up my process in here. All right. You can choose to do that. You can choose not to do that. It's totally fine. All right. And there's no pressure whatsoever to use whatsoever amount that you're seeing on my screen, whether less or higher. So here we've taken just about 4 trades over the past 5 days. This is about September 6th or thereabout. Okay, right? So we've just had. I think this is actually supposed to be 6 right here. So I'm just gonna work on this to see. Okay, September 6th, 2021. So 1 second. So here that's it. So it's just about 6 days that we have here doing this video right now. I think it's actually morning, so that's why I got this confused. So I'm just gonna move that back to fifth because I closed this streak actually a day earlier. So I'm doing this video actually by 12:20 something a.m. So that's it. So it took about 5 days from September 1st to September 5th right here. And now we have this so far. This is what we've gotten so far in the last 5 days right here. Now I take every single trade as a day. You don't have to trade leverage every single day. You have to wait for the market to come to you and then you take trades. Then you can count the trades as your days, all right? And then you know that the general idea here is to compound your profit, your interest, and your capital at the end of every month. That's how you increase and try to make sure that you're increasing your trading margin at the end of every month to match up with the size of your portfolio so that you can make more profit. All right, so that you can make more profit. Now get this straight, guys. You can't just jump into features and say you want to do this. You need to learn technical analysis and learn it thoroughly. Otherwise, you have to be trading with an expert's signal. You have to simply be copy trading an expert. There's no two ways about this, guys. If you are not copy trading an expert, you simply have to know technical analysis thoroughly to be able to trade with leverage, guys. Like I said, you don't have to trade leverage, and there's no. This is not in any way indicating that you should trade leverage. But if you want to learn how to trade leverage, you're definitely welcome to learn. Join Bitville and learn with our community and actually join our challenge. All right, so don't just go out there and jump into futures trading or leverage trading and try to do anything. You're gonna mess up your account and blow up a lot of money. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. Let me know, guys, if you've ever done a trading challenge. What was it like? How have you been able to pull it off right here? Remember I said I'm going to leave this the link to this calculator in the description right here. So it's going to take you just about 3 years, 2 years actually, to hit $100,000. In 3 years, for consistently following this pattern, you are going to make about $650,000 or thereabout. Now, guys, know that you can make more than that. So you can see that I'm basically on this right here. You can see that I'm making more than 20% on this, right? Okay, this is slightly more than 20%. So if let's say I just want to be very conservative with this whole thing, um, I could leave it this way. Or I could take more risk, all right, depending on how I want this to run. But I'm doing this so that you just know that even as a beginner trader, you don't have to take too much risk. You have to take it slow and go slow. Make progress with your trading before you begin to increase your margins, right? Before you begin to, go harder on your trades, right? So, guys, this is basically what we've been doing: $500 to $100,000 challenge. And once in a while, guys, I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated on how this is going. Another thing this is teaching you is to learn how to journal your trades. If you are journaling, you have to treat trading like a business. It is actually a business. The fact that you're not treating it like a business is why you're making so much mistakes, and you are learning. You are actually not learning from those mistakes because you didn't write them down, you didn't pen them down, you don't know what trades you're taking. Now, by the way, you see that the only thing here, winning trades, and that's basically what it is. Um, to be honest, I've actually had all winning trades right here. I think I only lost one trade here in the month of August, somewhere in between this when I tried to short Bitcoin, when we had that bearish signal around 43 something. I mean, technically it was actually bearish, right? Then the trade was actually in profit until we had that sharp bounce that reversed and led us back above 50K that we are right now. So of course you have to trade what the market gives you, right? That was the only time I got stopped out actually, all right? Stopped out of a trade, and that's just one losing trade all that period till what you have here. So I'm just updating my trades as I go in there. So guys, remember to hit like on this video, guys. Hit like on this video. It's important that people see our trades, that you share this trade, that you turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever we share another vital video, another update right here on this channel. See you guys in the next video. All right, cheers.